Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about certain cybersecurity tools. In this session, we will see what are the simple cybersecurity tools with the help of which we can increase our security whenever we work on the internet or whenever we visit to the different websites on the internet. So most of us normally nowadays working online many hours in a day, and there are large number of cyber frauds that are coming up. So in order to avoid or in order to reduce the impact of these cyber frauds, it is necessary that we should go for using the cyber security tools. And most of the tools are freely available, and you can easily practice them and you can enhance your security. So friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos on the various topics of the subjects of electronics and computer science. So let us start the session which in which we will deal with certain cybersecurity tools. Cybersecurity, as we know, it is an application of technology, processes, and controls, and with the help of them, we can protect our systems. So, whenever we want to protect our devices, such as mobile phone, computer, laptop, tablet, or whenever we want to secure your data from the cyber attack, then in that case, we need to use the cybersecurity tools. The first tool that we are discussing today is What's My Name.app. Though this tool will allow you to enumerate username across the many websites. So whenever you make an access to this tool, then and whenever you enter any valid username in the search box, then you will find that this username, wherever it is used, the list will appear. So by entering the username in the search box, you can select the category filter also, and when you click on the search icon, then you will find that the result will be presented on the screen. On the left, you will find that the icons will appear, and on the right, the searchable links will appear. So documents and Google searches will automatically populate at the button. Say for example, when I enter my username, then I will find that there are three sites where I have used the same name. So one can easily observe that you can search your name as well as you can search for other names also, other usernames also. So if you want to use some new name, then also you can search whether it is being already used by other people or not. Second cyber tool that we are going to discuss today is the namecheck.com. So many times we will find that the identical names will appear across the entire online presence, and such identical names you can check by using the namecheck.com. So this website or this app will enable you to find the perfect name for the new project. So whenever you want to avoid making use of the same name, then in that case you should need to check the name, and then you can see whether the name is being available for the use or not. Say for example, whenever you enter the name, and then you will find that the name will be available whenever you want to use the name for .com or for co.uk or .org. So such type of the list will appear for the given search name. It is also possible that for given name, you can check whether the phishing links or phishing URLs are there which are making an access to these names. So say for example, if you are having any doubt about a particular link, then you can enter the link on the same website, and you will find that the result will be there where it will remove the unwanted part of the phishing link, and it will give you what is the destination server. So the phishing check result will not give you the result such as whether it is a phishing or not, but instead it will give you the server, and then you have to check whether it is an appropriate server or not. for the application that you are searching, and if it is not an application, it is not a desirable server, then you can think of the link as a phishing link. So this website namecheck.com is very useful in order to search for a new username or existing username, and also you can check for the phishing URLs by using this website. Another cyber tool is the PPDF. So this is a Python tool, and this tool is very useful whenever we want to find whether the PDF file consists of any harmful effect or not. So whenever you want to explore PDF file in order to find out if the file is harmful or not, in that case you can make the use of this PPDF tool. So many times the PDF are circulated, and before using the PDF it is necessary to analyze the PDF, and when we analyze the PDF, then it will determine whether it will consist of any harmful content in it or not. So for this you need to install the appropriate PPDF version on your computer system, and then only you can make an access to this tool. Another tool that is very commonly needed nowadays is what is my IP address. Now we know that IP address is a unique address that will identify the device on the internet or on the local area network. So IP, that will stand for Internet Protocol, and this protocol is actually a set of rules which will govern the format of sending the data and receiving the data via the internet. So IP address is actually in the form of a number. So it is a string of numbers separated by the periods. So normally it will consist of 4 numbers as given here. So whenever you are connected to the internet by using a mobile phone or a computer or a laptop, then you will find that every device will have a unique address, and you can check what is your IP address. And it is necessary that whenever you work on the internet, your IP address must be protected. So you can make an access to this tool either by using the website or app, and then whenever you click on the search, then you will find that your IP will be indicated on the screen. And also it is possible that you can check if your IP address is listed on the anti-spam database. So whether any hacker is making an access to your IP address, that also be checked by using this tool. So this tool is very useful, and frequently we need to check our IP address whether it is being listed any spam database or not. Another tool is the email finder and verifier. So frequently we need to find out the email if you want to get connected with people or any professional person. Then in that case you can make the use of this tool. Also if somebody is sending you certain email and whether you want to check whether it is a valid email address or not, in that case also you can make the use of this tool. So whenever you enter the email, then this tool will check whether the format is valid, whether the server status is valid, what type of the email is there, and what type of email status it has. Isn't it? All such information will be displayed on the screen. So format, domain information, response of mail servers, and comparison with unique base of professional email address is being available by using this tool. So you can make the use of, there are several email finder services available. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can make the use of any appropriate service. Say for example, Hunter email finder is there and email verifier is there. So by making the use of this email finder and email verifier, it is possible that we can check the given email, or even we can check with our email also. So thank you friends for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood these simple tools which are related with the cyber security, and by using these tools you can enhance your cyber security.